Thank you, Rebecca. Notorious convicted murderer Julie Schenecker returned to court today as she tried to convince a judge to grant her a new trial. A decade ago, a jury rejected her insanity defense in the fatal shootings of her two teenage children. Investigative reporter Walt Buteau joins us now live from the Tampa News Center with an update on this case. Walt.
Jennifer, Schenecker's mental illness is not for debate, but the jury 8 years ago did not believe she was legally insane at the time of the murders. Now a judge will decide if she gets another trial to make that argument.
If she could speak of what she saw.
Monday was the first time we'd seen Julie Schenecker on the witness stand since she did not testify during her 2014 trial for the murder of her two children. Tuesday, during her hearing for a new trial, Schenecker's former public defender, Jennifer Spradley, denied she was convinced or bullied not to testify.
Did she ever express to you prior to the colloquy that she wanted to testify?
No.
When Julie Schenecker was seen after her arrest, she was quivering, but stiff and barely blinking. USF pharmacologist Daniel Buffington told the court Monday Schenecker's appearance showed a textbook adverse reaction to a new regimen of medication for bipolar with mania. Buffington is one of several witnesses Schenecker said she wanted to testify, claiming he would have told the jury, in his opinion, she was insane when she pulled the trigger and killed her 13-year-old son, Bo, and 16-year-old daughter, Calix. But her public defender denied Schenecker argued for any additional witnesses.
I don't remember there ever being an issue about her wanting us to call somebody that we didn't call.
Spradley testified there were strategic reasons for not calling Buffington and others Schenecker mentioned in her motion, including a Tampa realtor who refused to cooperate after a text message.
She had a fear that because of the text message and how close in time it was to the children's death, that maybe Ms. Schenecker intended to harm her.
I told her that she had to leave the house.
The children's father had testified that, in his opinion, his ex-wife was not insane and that the murders were premeditated from the time she bought this gun in Oldsmar to the moment she aimed it at their children and pulled the trigger. Pharmacologist Buffington is scheduled to return to the stand next week. A decision on the motion for a new trial is expected in 2 to 3 months. In the News Center, Walt Buteau, 8 on your side.